would like your group to have a computer, I need you to get a ruler. On the computer, you're going to see a screen, Savannah, that looks like this. And you're going to be able to move this blue line to try and create some best fit lines. Okay? So I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes. In that 5 minutes, you should have a computer, be to the lesson, and trying to make a best fit line. Go.
Go and open up resources. Go and open up resources and go to the thing.
All right, guys, I'm coming around the tree. Nice. All right, so in the next 3 minutes, you should be on and starting to show me that you have a line placed somewhere. You are going to be comparing with your seatmates. So as you put your line on there, let's turn and talk. You have an option to do, you have an opportunity to do number 1
It's unit 6.
and number 2. So if you finish number 1 and you discuss it, please go on to number 2. But we will be stopping to talk. If your computer is not making it easy, you can go ahead and sit and share with somebody as your computer is warming up or loading up.
Put on the 40.
6, 5.
Did this come up for you too, or did I do the wrong thing?
It's unit
No,
6.
it's unit 6. Or it is 5, unit 5.
What? It's unit 6, lesson 5 too.
Pretty.
It's lesson 5, unit 6. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
so Brian, can you find somebody in your group who also is finished? You're able to get them kind of peek, or can you help them get there? Good. Good. Genesis has some ideas.
Here, let me help you.
Nice. We're starting to shift and move around.
He's pulling it up for me.
Thank you, Alexa. Thank you, Todd.
Go, go.
How did you move there?
Oh, I just moved that.
I like what I'm hearing. I'm proud of my line. Now write down why you're proud of your line. It's not just about being proud of it. Why are you proud of your line?
So do they have to touch the thing?
That's what I'm talking about. So talk with your group first. Do they have to touch the things? What things are you talking about?
I mean, do they have
They have to touch the points.
the green part? Yeah, do they have to touch the points on the scatter plot?
What do you think?
No, I mean, I guess not.
So it's not going to be exact. If it's predicted,
But
right?
really, if you go through it, wouldn't like 2 be on there maybe?
Maybe.
If you go through it.
Maybe. So are you proud of your line?
Callie, are you proud of your line? Yeah.
Okay, so write down why. So, and I'm going to ask you guys to come up and share. So if you're proud of the line that you've made, please write down why. And right now, turn, and you should have 2 or 3 done. Can you please turn them around?
What's the date?
And talk about how they compare to each other. Are they
The
exactly
date?
the same? Which one do you think is better?
It's the 20th.
Yeah, it's the 20th, correct?
Yeah, it's the 20th.
If you go down and put your mouse over the cursor over the clock, it'll tell you which day it is.
I find you in
Okay.
The first thing is like there are like barely any outliers. Here's the one, there's like a bunch of outliers.
So you have both done and you're comparing. So
But no one told me life was gonna be this way.
Okay, so I got 1 dot that's actually on the line. I mean, there's a lot of outliers on the line, so maybe I should move it like right.
This isn't hard. All you have to do is
All you have to do is just make a line.
The dots are very far apart, so I'm proud of my line.
Oh no!
what makes you
Yeah, honestly, this is
And it
why
looks
birds
more
are pretty much
Do you have a, Michael, you said you already have your second line?
I mean, it just has a lot of outliers. I mean, look how spread out everything is. You really can't get everything by Genesis.
You're supposed to get a dot on the line.
What?
What are you guys doing?
We're doing the work.
I already.
Right now, Trinity and Cassidy.
Yeah.
But honestly,
With all the outliers.
all the outliers.
The dots are so far apart. The dots are so far apart. You're bound to have outliers. Like you can't avoid it.
Let's look at it.
So that's an it. I'm.
Look at all three. Which ones are the most similar? Okay, so why do you think they're similar?
Because he copied me.
Focusing more on the top line.
Top dots, and I was focusing more on the bottom dots.
Okay, so is the best fit line going to be where the bottom ones are, or where the top ones are?
It might be where there's the most dots at.
I think the bottom, because
But there's not a lot of dots in the middle though.
so then no more dots will go.
That's not the point. You have the point is to have a prediction line with a lot of dots on it, not zero.
So Tariq, I like that you're shaking your head saying, so can you summarize what are you trying to share with your group? What are you saying is important?
That you need to like have the average of points, so you have to have a line that's like not biased on one side, but it has it's like in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, so then it'll be biased in the middle.
So hold on. So right now, look, Trinity, if I have a line here, is that a good fit?
No.
If I have a line here going this way, is that a good fit? No. So do you agree that your line is somewhere in the middle?
I guess he's right.
Okay, could you guys summarize that? All right, guys, at this time, I know Diarion
Shut up, Kyrie.
and
Don't
Kathy
stop feeling
wanted to
yourself.
start off, and then I think Trinity's group is going to share. So, girls, did you still want to go up? Okay, go on up. If everybody could put your computer just at 45 degrees and be looking up at the girls so that if you have questions or concerns, we're ready to ask them.
So for our first line, we put it right there. Like we kind of put it right in the middle of most of the dots. Alright, tell Mommy you like this one. Tell Mommy you like the one.
Okay, so because we had to put it on there, we've seen that most of the scatterplots that we worked on are pretty much in the middle. So it has like some on the top and then some points on the bottom. So we put them in the middle. And then we noticed that there was only one on the computer, but I think there was two on the page so that you could do two different ones to try and show different lines instead of just one.
Okay. And what's it called if the points are over the line? What's it called if the points are above? Overestimations. And what's it called if they're under?
Underestimate.
So right now, does it look like that's pretty equally distributed as far as we have the same number above and below the line?
Yes.
Okay, is that what you guys were talking about, is being in the middle? All right, can you go up and share just where did you guys, you had the line in two different places, and just some of the discussion? Because I think that the discussion you had is probably being had in the room elsewhere, and I might have missed it. So I just want to make sure that you guys get to share that. Thank you, girls. And you can use the pens, or you can move the line, whatever you want to do. What?
So I have my line, we're focusing on the bottom dots where there's a lot more dots that end up on the line. And then they have their line more going kind of towards the top, like middle. So we had them going through different dots.
So what was your goal when you started making your line? What was your goal?
I was trying to get the more dots on the line. That way I had more of a estimated prediction.
Okay, and so why was that a big discussion? Like, why did they say, that does have most of the points on it, however? What was the however?
Because they said that it would be more in the middle. That way it's the more prediction or estimation of all the dots.
So it's considered all the points a little bit better? Okay. How do you guys feel about the conversation? All right, right now I want you to write down next to that graph, is it a positive or a negative association? Or no association?